Hello second graders and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a very fun experiment with catapults where we're going to be making catapults out of a couple materials. You will need, first things first, you will need 5 to 7 popsicle sticks, 4 or 5 rubber bands, a spoon, a cotton ball, a ping pong ball, and a ruler or a yardstick. Either one is fine. Once you have all of these materials, you're going to start building your catapult. The first thing you're going to do is either take 3 or 5 popsicle sticks and stack them together like this. All right, once you stack them together, you're going to go ahead and wrap a rubber band on both ends. So you just wrap it on both ends so that they're attached together. This part, I know I made it look easy, but the best way to do it is you take the rubber band, you make an X, and then you take the loop and you put it over. Do it again. Take the rubber band, make an X, put the loop over. And do that until it's pretty tight. It doesn't have to be perfect, just pretty tight. Should look something like this. Next, what you do is you take 2 popsicle sticks, stack them just like we did with the other 3, and put a rubber band just on one end this time, just like you did with the big stack like this. Okay. Then what you're going to do is pry the sticks apart like this, pry them apart, and wedge the big stack of popsicle sticks in between, like so. Okay. Next, you're going to take your spoon and attach it to the top popsicle stick. You'll take the last end. So this part of the spoon, the wide part, should go on this part of your catapult. Okay. It slips a little bit. You might have to readjust it. That's okay. If you need help from a parent or a sibling or a friend with the rubber bands and helping build this, that's totally fine. And there's your catapult. Now we're going to do the experiment. Okay. So once you have your catapult set up, what you're going to do is put it next to your ruler or yardstick, and then you'll take your ping pong ball and cotton ball. Choose which one you'd like to do first. I'm going to choose to do my cotton ball and launch it first. So I'm going to put my cotton ball in the wide part of my spoon, hold this part down, and then, whoop, that didn't work out super good the first time. Sometimes that happens with science experiments. You gotta try it again. Go hold the spoon and launch my cotton ball. Okay, went pretty far. I'll show you where it went in a minute. Now I'm going to launch my ping pong ball. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, let me take my camera and show you where these 2 materials landed. So when I launched it, the cotton ball landed here. The ping pong ball went all the way over here to the student's desk. So think about it. Which one went farther, the cotton ball or the ping pong ball? Okay. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me. If you need to get caught up on the writing part, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.